What is the one thing that keeps many first-time investors from starting to invest? The misconception that paperwork or formalities are very complicated. But are they really? Can you start an SIP without KYC and PAN? Hi there! Welcome to yet another episode of SIP Easy. As a first-time investor, you have fixed your investment goal, chosen a fund type, shortlisted your preferred scheme, decided the amount to invest, and are now ready to invest. But before you start, there is a crucial step to begin with. KYC or Know Your Client is an integral part of your investment process. And no, you cannot skip it, as this process is mandated by SEBI, the mutual fund regulator. Basically, KYC is simply a customer identification process that helps the asset management companies or AMCs to authenticate the identity of the investor on the basis of ID and address proof. This is to ensure that investment made is from a genuine investor or organization. KYC is important as it helps both the AMCs and the investors. KYC records are maintained centrally, and getting it done at one place helps to invest in any mutual fund scheme. Also, when change of address is needed, it can be done at a single place and will get effected across all mutual fund investments. Now, getting your KYC done is very easy. Just log on to any SEBI-accredited key registration agency or KRA mentioned here, or log on to the HDFC mutual fund website link displayed here. You can also contact your mutual fund distributor or advisor to help you with your KYC. Don't let a little bit of paperwork stop you from fulfilling your goals. So when are you taking a step towards Aapki Zindagi Ke Liye SIP? And for more such content, subscribe to our channel today. An investor education and awareness initiative by HDFC Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.